Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make the barbecue sauce easy guide. Start by gathering ingredients, then measure everything so the cook goes smoothly. Combine ketchup, brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, Worcestershire, and mustard in a saucepan. Simmer gently while stirring to dissolve sugar and blend flavors. Finish with salt, pepper, and optional smoked paprika for depth, then cool and store in a jar for up to 1 week. Bring your mixture to a steady simmer and keep stirring to avoid scorching the sugar. Maintain a gentle bubble for about 10 to 15 minutes so flavors marry and the sauce thickens just enough. If you prefer a thinner sauce, simmer a bit less. For a glaze, reduce longer. Remove from heat, let cool slightly, and taste to adjust seasoning with salt or a splash more vinegar if needed. Experiment with heat and sweetness to make the sauce your own. Add hot sauce or a pinch of cayenne for spice, or smoked paprika for a campfire flavor. Swap brown sugar for molasses or honey when you want a deeper caramel note. A splash of citrus juice brightens the sauce and balances richness. Keep notes on each batch so your next jar matches the version you loved most.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.